Hey friends, it's Mike. I wanted to do a quick video here to show you my Jimmy Page #1. This is the guitar I did a review on a few months ago, and it was $203 off of Aliexpress, and it's a great guitar. The finish on the guitar is very, very good. I wanted to do a couple of upgrades to the guitar, and I did that over the last couple of days. So one of the things that I did was I dropped in a set of Seymour Duncans in the neck and the bridge position. This is a Pinnacle small pin bridge. I took off the stock bridge that came with it, even though the stock bridge was actually pretty good. And this is the Pinnacle tailpiece that came with the bridge. It was a combo. I put the pointers on the volume knobs. I will put them on the back here too. I just hadn't gotten a chance to do it yet. I installed push-pull pots. The guitar did not come that way, and it sounds great. I was playing it before, and she sounds like a beast. The frets have all been leveled. The frets needed leveling, like all Chibsons, but this wasn't that bad. It really wasn't. But I went through it. I will tell you that the rosewood on this guitar is very, very nice. It's very nice. I was looking at it today as I was working on the frets, and I was thinking, boy, they get a nice piece of rosewood on this neck. This is a Graftech new bone nut. The nut that came with it was, actually it was a bone nut, but I put the Graftech new bone. This is like a Tusk XL. It's self-lubricating. I had this truss rod cover hanging around, so I put that on, and you see it has the string butler, and the string butler works great as far as keeping the guitar in tune. The tuners are the original tuners. They work wonderfully. No problems with them whatsoever. Okay, so here's the front, and let's flip her over now. Okay, so one of the things that I did, it's a little novelty thing, was to put the Zoso sticker here. And also, hopefully you can see this, I was able to pick up a vinyl decal of Jimmy Page's signature, and I put that up there. So I thought that was a kind of a neat little touch there. And let's take a look. You can see that she's in great shape. Really, really good shape. I mean, there's a couple of very, very, very minor blemishes. I can't even call them blemishes. I put the Dunlop strap locks on this guitar as well. I put them on all my guitars. You can see it has the knockoff Grovers, and as I mentioned before, they work very, very well. And as I've mentioned in other videos, the serial number there, it's not unique. It is a real serial number, so if you go into a Gibson database, it's going to show up. But when I say it's not unique, what I mean is the Chinese use that serial number over and over and over again, so there's lots of people with Chibsons with that serial number. So there you go. She's done. And I'm going to go upstairs now and play her a little bit more. She came out great. Again, $203. One of the best buys I've gotten out of China by far. By far. Okay? So that's it. All right, you guys, have a great day, and I'll catch up with you soon.